Hello and welcome to lesson 1.1. In this video, we're going to learn about the foundation of all written music, the musical staff. The musical staff is the system of 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces that we use to write down music. Think of it like a ladder for musical notes. It always has 5 lines and 4 spaces. No more, no less. We count the lines and spaces from the bottom up. The bottom line is 1, the next line is 2, then line 3, line 4, and line 5. The same goes for the spaces. The bottom space is space 1, the next space, space 2, space 3, and then space 4. Now the purpose of the staff is simple. It gives every musical note its own specific home. When we place a note on a particular line or in a particular space, it tells us exactly what that note is. We divide the staff into small segments called measures. You can see these measures separated by vertical lines called bar lines. Measures help us keep the music organized and easy to read. Just to recap, the musical staff has 5 lines, 4 spaces. We count them from the bottom up, and the staff provides a place for every musical note. It's divided into measures by bar lines to help keep the music organized. Now that you know the basics of the musical staff, you're ready to start your journey into reading music.